we just came to My Fresh Basket, and it's just like a little grocery store, and they have really good cookies. So I always end up buying like at least 4 or 5 of them, but this time they didn't have a lot of them. Either they're still like cooking or they sold out. I don't know. So I just picked up 2, and we also got some donuts as well. I got a maple bar, and my husband just got a regular glazed donut. Gotta eat it while it's like fresh. Donuts for breakfast.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet
I woke up this morning. I actually woke up kind of early today, but then I went back to bed, so I just fell asleep for a little bit. I didn't comb my hair today. It's just one of those days. We're just not gonna do it because it's just gonna end up going up in a bun, or I'm just gonna put it up. So yesterday my husband made some cabbage with pork. We had half a cabbage left, so I'm just gonna eat that for breakfast today. I'm just gonna eat it in this Tupperware because why make more dishes? I'm gonna eat it with some Moua dried pepper that we have here. My sister actually sends this to us from Minnesota, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more fish sauce in. I have these spoons that I got from Seattle, so I like to eat like my stir fry with this. I truly believe that using a utensil that you love makes your food taste so much better. So I'm gonna go and sit on the couch and eat this and catch up on my Mông Laos vlogs, because literally they upload like every single hour. Today's actually Sunday. We don't really have anything planned. Last night we went over to his cousin's house because we haven't seen them in a few months. So I'm gonna go and make some breakfast for us. I think I'm gonna do pancakes with breakfast sausages.
Even if it wasn't a type R, if I had a JD in front of it, I'd still put one on.
This probably doesn't look appetizing, but I've been really into eating eggs with green onions. My dad always made this for us when we were little. Tastes the best with rice and water or sticky rice. And tonight we're having some home sausages with sticky rice, so I wanted to eat this along with it. I'm trying to use up everything that we have in our fridge because we're actually going to be going to Seattle this weekend, so we're not going to be home, and I've been trying to limit our grocery shopping to at least like every 2 weeks just to kind of cut down on food. The only thing I marinated my pork with is just some fish sauce and this Maggi seasoning. I didn't add any salt because the fish sauce is already salty enough, so I just put everything in a bowl and I just pour it over. I don't measure it out, I just do it by eyeball. And then this is the yakisoba noodle packet that I am using. I want to finish it up before we actually go out of town, so that way when we come back I don't have to worry about using anything up in the fridge. I do not know why my face looks so red, but please ignore that. But exciting news, today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. That means my husband and we are heading out to Seattle, and y'all know my love for Seattle is just, it's literally my getaway and my safe zone whenever I feel stressed. All of the above.